Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the currency exchange feature on the Paysera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the transfers button down below, which is the third option. Scroll down to the actions section, and here you can find the currency exchange button, which is the last one. Here you should select the currencies, type in the amount into the first one, and here you can see the currency transfer. So if you would like to confirm it, then slide down below and add your code. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.